crore 75 lakh takas, check to be handed over by Mohammad Mehboob Alam, Secretary, Ministry of Youth and Sports. Applause for them all round. It's been a wonderful tournament for them and they've really entertained their fans. And we hope that they can come back stronger next year. Right then, this is the moment perhaps the winning team is waiting for as well. It's time for the champions, Rajshahi Warriors, to come forward and collect their medallions first. Really well led by Najmul Hassan Shanto. If I can please ask them to come and collect their medallions. Rajshahi Warriors, truly prolific today and generally have been the table toppers throughout the tournament. Fabulous performances. They had Kane Williamson come over just recently, came in and scored that match-winning 45. Saibzada Farhan also amongst the runs. Binura Fernando, what a performance by him today. You've got to say, just in terms of the way he's contributed, he's been doing his job quietly and picking up wickets for Rajshahi Warriors. The experience of Mushfiq was obviously very dominant throughout this tournament. Him alongside Shanto really leading the way for Rajshahi Warriors in terms of scoring runs. And then with the ball, Abdul Ghaffar Saqlain, he was quite magnificent in the way he picked up wickets. We've already given the Emerging Talent Award to Ripon Mondal. The way he's been bowling. Tanzeed Hassan Tamim setting the tone at the top today with a blistering knock. 100 to remember. It's always special when you score 100 in the final. And he delivered when it mattered the most. That partnership between Kane Williamson and James Neesham in the previous game, bringing them to this stage. Sandeep Lamachane also picking up wickets initially for Rajshahi Warriors. It's truly been a team effort for them. All the experience in the world in the form of Mushfiq and Shanto. You've got to give credit to him for the way he's led his side to victory. He's been calm and composed, and he's managed to keep the calm and composure behind the scenes as well in that dressing room, inspiring them. Let's not forget, he scored 100 in the first game of the BPL and really sort of set things the way they should be, you know, in giving them that kind of confidence. If I could please request the captain.
Very happy the way we played throughout the tournament, especially all the players, the way they fight in the field. Really happy. The commitment was there, and I think credit goes to all the players. And I'm really happy we finished it off on a high note.
Yeah, you're looking at the stats, particularly for your team. The batter scores runs, you scored runs, so did Tanzeed, and even the bowlers. Binura Fernando was sensational with the ball, especially tonight.
Yeah, obviously, he's been outstanding, I think, throughout the tournament. We have to mention Ripon Mondal, the way he bowled. I think really happy the way he bowled. And as I said, it's totally a team effort. You mentioned that our batting unit, every day some of the batter took those responsibilities. So that's why we
75 lakh takas. The check and the trophy to be jointly handed over by Mr. Asif Nazrul, Honorable, and Muhammad Aminul Islam, Honorable President, Bangladesh Cricket Board and Chairman, BPL Governing Council. The beautiful glittering trophy belongs to Rajshahi Warriors. They are the true deserving team of lifting this trophy, and I'm sure that it means a lot to them. Shanto, your team is waiting there because they want to have a piece of that trophy, And why not? It's going to be a long night, gentlemen, and I'm sure that they are going to really enjoy it because they truly deserve to celebrate.
This is the moment Rajshahi Warriors were waiting for. They are the champions of Bosundhara Cement Bangladesh Premier League 2026. Outstanding cricket throughout the tournament. A well-deserved for Rajshahi Warriors. Leading from the front, skipper Nazmul Hossain Shanto and his troop. Outstanding cricket throughout the tournament with the likes of Tanzid Hassan Tamim scoring the 100 in the final of the BPL 2026. The total team effort, a clinical effort, and a moment to cherish for a long, long time. Rajshahi Warriors are the champions of BPL 2026. This has been an outstanding tournament. Overall, we have seen some brilliant cricket. High-scoring matches, super overs, hat-tricks, hundreds. We have seen it all. And in the end, it was Rajshahi Warriors who ended up right at the top, clinching the 2026 BPL. Celebrations will continue. And it's going to be a long night for the Rajshahi Warriors players, staff, and the family members. They deserve the trophy. They played some outstanding cricket right from the start. Leading from the front, Captain Nazmul Hossain Shanto, the likes of Binura Fernando and others were also instrumental. The likes of Ripon Mondol, emerging player of the tournament, Tanzim Hassan Saqib and others, making sure Rajshahi Warriors go on to seal the BPL 2026 title. What a beautiful trophy this is, and they deserve the trophy.